Today, this is an unboxing video of portable car device from Binize. Let's have a first look about its package. Very reassuring to look at. Next is the head unit. Portable 7-inch. Audio wires and USB wires. Next is time for the accessories. Have to mention the flexible bracket. As you can see, it is very easy to adjust. The next is the remote control. You can even lie on the seat to control the head unit. Power cable. So easy to connect. Safe and easy. 2 stickers just in case. The last one, manual. Bring you more details about how to using this car stereo. Thanks for watching, and we are Binize.